An apple a day can keep more than just the doctor away, especially when you do more than just eat apples. One of these ways is by using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is derived from a process that ferments apple pulp, which enriches it with live cultures, minerals, and acids. Apple cider vinegar has anti-fungal and anti-bacterial properties that are beneficial to your body when ingested or used topically. Mix apple cider vinegar with filtered water to use as a hair and scalp rinse. You'll balance the pH level of your scalp while also helping combat infections, dryness, itchiness, and even dandruff. It can also strengthen your hair and enhance its shine. Use it in the shower to remove oil and product buildup from your hair. Mix the apple cider vinegar with filtered water and spray it in your hair after a shower as a leave-in conditioner. The vinegar aroma will disappear as your hair dries. Apple cider vinegar is great for all genders and ethnicities. Use apple cider vinegar once or several times a week, depending on your needs. Everyone's hair requires different care, and it's up to you to determine your exact apple cider vinegar hair care routine.